subscribe to my channel, or else, you know. Hello everyone. Today we are here at the exhibition which says print and pack. So मेरा QR कोड काम नहीं कर रहा है, तो देखते हैं. Let's try with so मेरे को मिला नहीं था and बहुत डिफिकल्टी हुई, बट फाइनली आई गॉट इट. विनय शर्मा नहीं मिला तो मिला. अब मैंने अपने भाई का भी रजिस्टर किया था साथ में. विनय शर्मा. You know what happens when you're interested to go to an event but has no idea about what's happening. वही सिचुएशन मेरे साथ अभी हो रही है, क्योंकि मैं आई हूँ प्रिंटर्स एग्जीबिशन पे, जिससे मेरा दूर दूर तक नाता नहीं है. क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो प्रिंट हो रहे हैं वो नॉर्मल प्रिंट है, लाइक यूवी प्रिंट, थर्मल प्रिंट एंड देन लेजर कट. उसके बाद में जो फिल्म डालते हैं, लैमिनेशन वगैरह है, एवरीथिंग एल्स अराउंड. सो इट्स अबाउट ऑल दैट, बट मैं यूज़ नहीं करती, सो आई हैव नॉट मच आइडिया, बट इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी. आई कैन वॉक यू ऑल थ्रू कि कैसा दिखता है और क्या क्या नई नई चीज़ें हैं जो मार्केट में अभी हमारे पास में है. लेट मी वॉक यू थ्रू. So in this event, I came across this particular shop, and they have all the catalogs for all the collection. For example, if I have to go with the wedding cards, like how it should look like, all the samples and everything else. Well, I came across this particular stall in this event, and I found it pretty cool because in case if there are any small startups or anything like that, and they want to have this kind of machines which cuts out the proper boxes and everything, and then there is stickers which you would like to provide to your customers and whatsoever. As I said about the stickers, so all you have to do is take the sticker, like the sheet of it, insert it over there, and the cutout comes like this, so you can remove the stickers normally. And so goes with these boxes as well. That's what even this does. There are multiple machines. This one is here for the stickers, and we insert the sticker from there, the entire sheet, and we can cut off it here. Looks good. Hi Mickey Mouse. We have this printing thing, fabric print, and this stays at least for a year in all the climates that's across. We have multiple samples also for the printing.
Printing. These all are our products, and we basically are in branding, corporate solutions. Our like main, this is like flags and standees.
We have really good samples. Let me just show you that. So we have the samples like this. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, but one unique thing that I found here was packings. You know what? I just came across this stall where they have all these rugged packings and everything, and I came across this. बंदूक डाल के ले जाओ इसमें, ठीक है? Like literally बंदूक के कोई माफिया है हमारे इसमें फॉलोअर्स में. Jokes apart, but they have really good packing because they'll cut it off as per required, and delicate things जो भी चाहिए आपको, you can pack. So here we are for the packing.
Yeah.
Let's ask him how does it work and what do we have about it. So please tell
We
me.
manufacture EP material. It's basically 100% recyclable. So this is for the sniper rifle, and we take the product dimensions and cut it as per its requirements, and also customize it and custom the box also for it. Okay. This goes into the mattresses and this also goes into sofa sets. So this is the primary material that goes.
Guns वगैरह भी है. मैं सोच समझ के. Nothing, that was just lighter, by the way. And it was just to show that how the packings are and everything is done. Nice stalls. So in case if you have any doubts on anything, definitely comment down, and I can send you the cards, or I can send you the numbers of the people whoever I'm talking to here, because I have all of them right now with me. I came into this exhibition as no idea. Like, I had no idea about what's happening and what are the things, what kind of printer it might be. I thought maybe one or two printers, but then I realized they are printers, they are cutting machines, they are packing, and other many things are there. Like, there are many machines required to make an idea to reality. घर की भागदौड़ करते करते, in case if somebody is tired. So we have this massage machines. This is how it is. Maybe it looks very relaxing actually. हमारा करियर कब राइट होगा हमें पता नहीं. But I came across this light. Definitely very good for advertising the existing market that you have. You can put the film in front of it and you can advertise just like Domino's or McDonald's. तो यहाँ पे रीजनेबल चीजें मिल जाती हैं. चाहे आप रीसेल करो, कमीशन कमाओ, या फिर you just make machinery of your own. We have good things here. With this exhibition, what I understand here is, if you have ideas, India is ready to give you machines. This particular exhibition was really good. I really enjoyed this. See you in the next one.